Hi everybody, this is Joe at Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I am going to show you how I load my quad into my truck when I have to take it to a job site. My log supplier, Phil, he lives about 2 miles away. He's been cutting a bunch of ash for me in his woods, but he has no way to move it, and he's been hauling each piece by hand out of the woods. But as he gets deeper and deeper into the woods, it doesn't really make sense, you know. So I got my saws in here. He's not comfortable dropping trees, so I'll drop a couple for him. But yeah, it's just, I'm going to show him how it should be done. And his trails through the woods aren't big enough for a truck, so this is the next best thing. And then I'll put my trailer onto the hitch and take that over there too. And since he is only like 2 miles away, I don't mind driving this down the road because it doesn't have a plate on it or anything. And these are the ramps that I bought from Tractor Supply, and you can see they're on there securely. Nice aluminum ramps. I think I bought them in 2014 for like 140 bucks or something like that. Like I say, from Tractor Supply. And when I was taking my truck for service at the old car dealership, he said, do not use your truck to haul the quad or you know, use the ramp on the tailgate, as it's not very safe, you know, and these hinges are pretty rusted out, and there's no way this cable would hold the weight by itself. And if one side were to fail when I was driving up here, you know, and I flip over sideways, I could get severely hurt, if not killed. So let me, you see how I got this, here's my little tripod, nice piece of locust boiler wood. And then I'm gonna get this set up here, try to get a good angle on it, so you can see what's going on. I think you can see that looks pretty good. Let me fire up the quad and keep your fingers crossed that today's not the day that it fails, it breaks, and I break my leg or break my neck. Got it on there safely. I'll put the parking brake on, lock that. Hopefully the quad doesn't fall through the bottom of the bed. Getting on's the easy part. When I get out of here, and then you got to back down. That's the even more scarier. And make sure I take these or I won't be able to get out. But as you can see, they work pretty good. They're nice and lightweight. I got a pin I put on here to make sure that doesn't pop off. Little screw here. Safety first. Let me get a strap. Can't have this falling out. Got to be extra safe. One of my most important pieces of equipment. How do I usually do this? I don't want pressure being put on the light. Good tight. Won't play games. Got this on here. We're good to go. Told Phil I'd be there at 9:30 and it's like about 9:35 right now. I want to get there before it gets too hot, so we got this rig all set up. My brother's truck, everybody likes that. And so it should be all good. I don't think those ramps will fall out either, you know, with being bent like that. So, and there's my mom trimming the bushes, aka Grandma. Get her done, Ma. And I guess with that, I think I'll wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. And as always, like Joe's Premium Firewood on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and have a great 4th of July week, folks. God bless the USA.